Civics 8th grade Indian Constitution. We deal with introduction, need of Constitution, the Indian Constitution, key features of Indian Constitution. Introduction. Imagine a football game without the rules. In the absence of rules, game will not be game. It will be a battlefield. We all start fighting. We all start grabbing the ball. Though it is football, we grab the ball and run away. So there will be chaos. Therefore, we can say that rules are fundamental for the game to be successful. Similarly, a society is also like football team. Laws are required to govern the society. What is Constitution? Constitution, a written document in which we find rules and regulations to govern the country. Constitution and democracy. To understand Constitution much better, we can compare Constitution and democracy. Both democratic and non-democratic country has a constitution. You have to understand this statement clearly, that both democratic and non-democratic country has a constitution. So having a constitution does not make a country democratic. So all the country have the constitution, but having a constitution does not make a country democratic. Few provisions have to be there in the constitution for a country to be democratic. For example, China says it is democratic country, but practically it is non-democratic country as single party rules over China. Why does a country need a constitution? The constitution serves several purposes. It lays out certain ideals that form the basis of the country that we as citizens aspire. Means that constitution lays down certain ideals that one wishes to be in such country. It helps to arrive at a common consensus. It means common consensus is nothing but common thinking. It helps to arrive at a common thinking. The Constitution upholds the ideas, values, beliefs of the citizen of the country. Example, story of Nepal. Story of Nepal will be discussed later. Constitution defines the nature of the country's political system. That is, whether the country is democratic, whether the country has dictatorship, whether the country is ruled by a monarchy. Constitution provides us the safeguard against the powerful authority. Constitution ensures that a dominant group does not use its power against the less powerful people or group. Constitution saves us from ourselves. These all points will be discussed next. So the first point, that the need of constitution, why there is need of constitution, will be understood much better by the story of Nepal. In Nepal, there was a king and democracy. It was King Gnanendra who took over the democratic setup established in 1990. Because of this, there was a protest. Maoist, citizens and army together protested. Finally, king accepted the government by the people, and in 2008, Nepal became a democracy after demolishing the monarchy. People wrote a new constitution. Example for constitution provides us the safeguard against the powerful authority. Why do we need constitution? To know much better, we have to discuss this story. This is a classroom story wherein a teacher leaves the class by appointing a boy named Anil, who was a bully. Bully in the sense the person who troubles others. And here when teacher left the class, he pointed out to Suresh and said that today I will be telling your name to teacher that you were talking a lot. So though he was not talking, he was a silent boy, who Suresh was a silent boy. When teacher arrived, Anil immediately told that Suresh was talking unnecessarily, and Suresh got scoldings from teacher, though he was innocent. So this classroom story can be connected to the country, that is to the society, wherein authority, here Anil is an authority which was been appointed by the teacher, who was been appointed by the teacher, and he had power to tell against Suresh. So he is a powerful authority and Suresh is common people. So we can connect this story to the society. Here we can say that political leaders may misuse their authority. Therefore, Constitution lays down the rules that guard us. Example, fundamental rights. Fundamental rights helps us to protect our own rights. The next example can be given for dominant group does not use its power against minority. That is, this is also again a school example wherein there will be a P period where in a class 15 boys and 7 girls will be there, and boys wants to play cricket and girls want to play basketball. Here they will be fighting for that, and teacher arrives there and they ask her to solve the problem. She says, raise the hand those who want to play cricket. So it is but obvious that 15 members, that is the boys, raised the hand for cricket and they won, as they were 15, majority won it. So teacher said, so there are 15 members, so everybody have to play cricket. Now here girls are minorities, wherein they obviously they will not be given any rights every time. So the girl says that teacher could have made much better decision. Teacher could have taken much better decision because we are minority always. So definitely the majority will win. So what? So if we connect this story to the society, majority should not exclude the interest of minority. So the government should not, here the teacher will be the government. The government should not exclude the interest of the minority. So tyranny of majority should be checked. Here tyranny means unjust or cruel rule of majority should be checked. So refer page 8 of NCERT book. The next example for your explanation of why do we need constitution will be, constitution saves us from ourselves. Here there is another story of Shabnam. Here Shabnam had examination the next day and she had already finished studying all the chapters except there were 2 chapters remaining. And her favorite serial was going on in the TV and she was being tempted to watch the TV, and she was also tensed about the 2 chapters which were left out. So she was in a dilemma. So now she asked her mother to either switch off the TV or allow her to see the TV, her favorite program. So her mother switched off the TV. The next day when she wrote the exam, she felt that the decision what she had made to study the remaining 2 chapters was very good, as her exams went off very nicely. So here, how will you connect this story to the real life? Here, at times we might take decisions over an issue that might go against our large interest. That is, one may wish for dictatorship, but in long run, it is against our decision. For example, you can say if you want a dictatorship, you would think that the president tomorrow should be a dictator, and if he becomes a dictator. Later on a long run, we are the one who suffers. So, Constitution saves us from ourselves or from our harsh decisions. Next video will be on key features of Indian Constitution. Like, subscribe, share and comment.